Welcome back everybody to Old Country Cooks. I'm Chef John. Rebecca's behind the camera. Today we're going to be cooking some burgers on our Monument gas grill. But we're going to make a German style tomato salad cheeseburger. Okay, so I'm going to show you how to make a German style tomato salad, and it tastes almost like a BLT. And then we're going to go ahead and cook the burgers on the grill. So let's get started with the tomato salad, and then we'll jump on this grill.
Here's where I got the recipe from on the Marine Corps recipe. First, here's all of our ingredients. And then you want to cut these cherry tomatoes in half. You're going to need about 4 cups of these. You're going to take an onion, just half, and cut it into slices, just like this. You go ahead and add them to your tomatoes. We're going to take some bacon. This is medium thickness. And this is what you have while you're cooking bacon, always down and below. Make sure your bacon's crispy. Then you want to go ahead and chop it up to medium pieces to small bits. Go ahead and add those to your mixture. We're going to go ahead and add some dried parsley. I'll leave the recipe in the show more. And we're going to go ahead and get you some table salt. Add that to it. Also, go ahead and add your black pepper, or you can add white pepper. And here we're using Duke's mayonnaise. And last but not least, we're going ahead and put some of this heavy cream in here. Once you get the heavy cream in here, just mix it up really well to kind of fold it in. And cook these cheeseburger on this preheated Monument grill. You get your burgers on. Go ahead and get them done the way you like them. We like ours pretty much done. Once we get done, we're going to sit those up top, put the cheese on them. We're going to go ahead and put our butter buns on the grill and go ahead and char those off. We'll take everything back inside, and we're going to start building our sandwich. I'm putting some lettuce down. Then we're going to go ahead and add this wonderful German style tomato salad that we just prepared. Rebecca's going to come in with a good close-up on that. We're going to add our cheeseburger that we cooked on the Monument grill, and we're going to put the lid on it, and we're ready for a taste test. But let's get a money shot. There's everything together. So let's move on to this taste test.
All right, here we go with the taste test. God, that's really good. Again, everything that you would make a cheeseburger with bacon, lettuce, and tomato, it's all in there. Everything, and onions, it's all in there. Delicious, guys. Easy to make. Salad was delicious. Rebecca, how'd you like the salad?
I loved it, and I'm not a real huge tomato fan for raw tomatoes, but man, that was good stuff. And you know, I was thinking if people wanted pickles in there, they could put pickle relish or just some dill weed. That would go good.
All right, guys, this was delicious. Hope you enjoyed this. Easy to make. You can have that salad on its own, throw it on a sandwich for a barbecue. It's all there. Good, delicious. It's here. So that's a German style tomato salad on a cheeseburger.
The Monument Grill cheeseburger.
Cooked it on the Monument grill. Yay, thank you, Monument. All right, first time here, please subscribe. share, like, thumbs up. We did like, and
comment,
and see you next time.
bye.
Bye.